Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you this monochromatic orange look, and I wanted to add a little extra right on the liner area. I had a lot of fun doing this look, and I'm also using some new products in this video, and one was a hit and one was a miss. You're just gonna have to watch to find out which one was which. So without further ado, if you want to learn how to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. I primed my eyes with some concealer, and now I'm gonna go into this shade from the Morphe 35O palette and a Makeup Shack T93 brush. So as always, I'm going to pat in the product first, and then I'm going to start blending. And I don't like to go right into windshield wiper motions because I don't want a messy blend. I want to be able to have control at all times. Therefore, I just use circular motions. Once that's blended, I'm going to build it up some more. And again, I'm going to pat the product in, then start blending it out. And I'm also bringing it down a little over here in the outer corner. And to start darkening up the crease, I'm going to go into Morocco from the Nubian 2 palette and a Morphe M433. First, I start off at the outer corners and then make my way into the inner corner when I don't have as much product left, so it's not too dark at the front. And then I'm gonna go back into that Makeup Shack T89 brush, and then I'm gonna go back into that Makeup Shack T93 brush to blend the hard edges out. Now, using a Makeup Shack T33 brush, I'm gonna dip into this shade from the Morphe 35O, and this is more of a reddish orange, but I still feel like the outer corner was looking a little bit weak. Just needed something more. Now I'm just adding a little bit towards the front. I'm going back into the T93 brush to make sure everything is blended, because harsh lines are not my friend, and we are not having them today. They're not welcome in this household. So now I'm gonna go into some concealer and cut my crease. Now that I've cut the crease, I'm gonna go into this shade right here from the 35O. And then, using the brush I applied the red orange with, I'm just going to blend these two together. I didn't apply any extra product, I just went in with the brush. Now I'm gonna pick up some product to apply right in the outer corner to deepen it up a little more. So now I'm gonna line my eyes with the NYX Vivid Bright in Vivid Delight, which is just an orange eyeliner, and I haven't used these in a while, but I remembered I had this, so I really wanted to incorporate it in this eye look. And I'm gonna start off with just a line across, and then I'm gonna draw a line from the outer corner to the front, just like how you would do a wing liner, except without the wing. Then, to get this little curve I have going on right here, I'm going to start from the top. I'm not going to connect it to this line right here, but I'm going to get pretty close to it and then just go down and then kind of like do a little swoop and then go back to where that first line started, and then bring it a little bit outwards and do a bigger like swoop or whatever you want to call it, and then just fill it in. It's not gonna be as noticeable, but it's okay because as you can see already, we're gonna add some glitter. Now that we've got our liner on, I'm gonna go into Yaa from the Nubian 2 palette. I believe that's how you say it. I'm sorry if I mispronounce it. I really don't know how to say some of these names. And I'm just gonna use a dense pencil brush and dip it right into the shadow, then spray some Mario Badescu facial spray to intensify the shadow and make it look a little more metallic, and go straight into the liner. But I'm not gonna bring the shadow all the way to the top. I'm gonna just leave a little bit of space in between, and I'm just using this shadow as a base for the glitter. And then I'm also going to bring that coppery shadow up here, and this is the only place I'm gonna fill it in with the shadow all the way. And now that we've got our base on, I'm going to apply some glue, lash glue, and that's what I'm gonna be using to stick the glitter. I'm gonna start off on the outer corner and just work little by little. If not, like, the lash glue will dry quickly and I won't be able, and the glitter won't stick. So now out here, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna fill in the whole thing. And there you have your glitter liner. I think this looks really cool. It adds a little more to the look. I didn't want to just do a basic half cut crease or like a halo eye. I wanted to add something extra, and this is exactly what I wanted. So now we're gonna move on to the face, because I don't really like to apply my mascara before eyebrows. Now I'm gonna go into the Bare Minerals Fresh Faced Liquid Foundation, and this foundation I got it for free from Influencer. They gave us the opportunity to use the app and their app and customize our own foundation. So this is specially made for me. It says made to fit for feeeyn, and I thought that was really cool, and this is my first time trying it, so let's see if it actually works and it's a match for my skin. I added 2 pumps onto the back of my hand, and it looks too light right now, but let's see how it looks when I apply it and blend it out. But it's it's not liquidy, it's kind of thick, but it looks thick, but it doesn't feel too thick. So I'm just going to dot it onto my face, and it still looks too light for me. Oh my goodness. And I'm going to be blending that out with the Makeup Shack T16 brush. I look like a ghost on camera. Oh my gosh. So it's definitely too light for me. I don't know if it was me or the app who got it wrong, because I scanned my face several times and it was like in front of a window, so I had natural daylight hitting me. So I don't know what it was, but it's too light for me. And the coverage, I would say it would be a light to medium. I'm gonna apply some more to see if it is buildable. I'll just use like 1 pump and then just dot it onto my face again. Put some on my neck to pretend it actually matches me. So this is buildable. It doesn't have the fullest coverage, but it is buildable. The finish it's a little bit tacky, so I'm gonna have to set it with some powder, but it doesn't feel like if you have dry skin, I would say like lightly set it with some powder, but for me, I like to always set my foundation with powder, and then my T-zone is just an oily situation. So even though I applied like 3 pumps onto my face, it doesn't feel heavy. Wow, I look white. I think I have to apply some to my ear because it looks weird. In person it doesn't look this white. Let's just keep going. It'll look better by the end. I can fix it with some bronzer. So the foundation, I would say it's not too bad. It has 1 fluid ounce and it retails for $49. So all you have to do is download the Bare Minerals app for the Bare Minerals Made to Fit app, I believe it's called. I'm not completely sure, but it tells you how to scan your face and everything, and then they do everything for you. All you have to do is like add it to your cart and then just purchase it. The shipping was pretty fast, and hopefully it matches your face. I haven't seen any other reviews on this foundation, but I like it. It's not a bad foundation. It just didn't match my face, sadly. But anyways, let's keep going. Now I'm gonna apply some concealer to cover these dark circles, and then my light just turned off. And I'm going to blend that out with a Makeup Shack T31 brush. Now I'm just setting my face with the Dermablend setting powder. Okay, so I changed my mind. I don't really like the foundation. It's not really sitting well on my face, and like it looks like it's already separating or something. I don't know. No foundation has ever done this. So this is very new to me, but I don't like it. So I don't like the foundation. Like I already set it and everything, and I still look like a ghost. It's just not sitting well on my face, so I personally wouldn't recommend it. If you want to test it out for yourself, go ahead, but I don't like it. So I'm going to bronze my face now. Same thing as always, you already know. Well, goodbye, Casper. Now we have some dimension, and I'm going to, I have a peachy blush, but I kind of want to take it up a notch and use Morocco from the Nubian 2 palette as a blush. So I'm gonna lightly tap into it and then tap out the excess, and let's hope I don't turn into a clown. So that didn't come out too bad. I might have gone just a little bit overboard. Obviously in camera you can't tell, but in person just a little bit. Yesterday I received the Amrezy highlighter, and it is everything I was expecting and more. Like, I'm so happy with my purchase. I need to find a highlighting brush, so I'm gonna use the Makeup Shack T89. Let's see. This is the first time I'm applying it to my face. Well, with makeup on, because I had to, yesterday when I got it, when I received it, I just had to. And oh my goodness, wow, she did that. Look at it. she just came for everyone, and she said it's over for y'all when my highlighter comes out. Like, she did that. And I think I've accomplished all my life goals, so I can die happy now. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Makeup Shack lashes in style Kehlanii. When the lashes are on, that's when the look is really complete. For lipstick, I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors. That's the Katie collab, and I'm going to be using Hot Fire. And the look is now complete. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and leave any video suggestions down in the comments. And don't forget to turn on your notifications by hitting the little bell down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.